The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about Verizon and the LG G6 guys. So if you guys own the LG G6 on Verizon, y'all guys should be receiving a software update as we speak. So I'm on the device support page for the LG G6 on Verizon, as you guys can see here. So it says here, Verizon Wireless is pleased to announce a new software update for your device. This software update has been tested to help optimize device performance, resolve known issues, and apply the latest security patches. Alright. I tell you guys, before you guys do the download, make sure that you connect to Wi-Fi or have a very strong 4G LTE signal, and ensure that your battery is fully charged before starting the update. Blah blah blah. The system update for the G6 on Verizon is VS 98820C. And that includes July 1st, 2018 security patch right there. So it says this software update for your LG G6 includes new camera features and the latest Android security patches. So y'all guys are getting new camera features on the G6. You guys are getting some camera features from the LG G7 ThinQ. Y'all guys are getting super bright camera mode there. And so yeah, it says under low light environment, the super bright camera icon will appear and blink for 3 seconds. Tap the icon to enable super bright camera. Super bright camera is available during video recording as well, except for Ultra HD 60 frames per second or HDR mode, and when the user has already started recording before entering to low light environment. Alright. Says the user can turn super bright camera on or off in camera settings. The default value is on. Alright, so that's what they look like. That's what it looks like that you guys are getting the super bright camera mode on the G6 on Verizon. It shows you guys the differences here. It says low light environments there. So super bright camera enabled. So it actually brightens up the picture there just a bit. Under very low light environment, super bright camera is automatically turned on for low light capture. So that's really very low light right there, and then super bright camera there. So yeah, so basically guys, this update for your G6 on Verizon basically includes July 1st security patch and the super bright camera feature on the G6. It's pretty much all you're getting is a camera feature added to your camera there. This camera flash jump cut and flash guide. Take fun shots even at a distance for the LED lights. With the help of the LED lighting on the rear of the phone, take continuous shots in an easy way. Choose a continuous shot option. 4 seconds, 8 seconds, 12 seconds, 16 seconds, or 20 shots. I mean, it's 4 shots, 8 shots, 12 shots, 16 shots, or 20 shots. And take pictures every 3 seconds, alright? So you have the option to choose 4 shots, 8 shots, 12 shots, 16 shots, or 20 shots. And take pictures every 3 seconds, since the continuous shots are saved as GIFs. Flash guide is provided when the user sets timer, alright? Flash jump cut right there. Default for continuous shots. First shot, second shot, saving as GIF. Scan QR code, so it does have the Q lens things, I guess, maybe, I don't know. It says scan QR code, automatically detect and read the QR code from camera preview. Enable scan QR code in the settings menu. Once scan QR code is on, the camera automatically detects and reads QR code from preview and provides a notification to acknowledge the link information with QR code. The notification is dismissed by swiping out. Scan QR code is available only in auto camera mode only, alright? So if you guys go to your camera settings, you guys can go to your camera settings. You guys will see scan QR code right here. Right here. I can't click on that to make it bigger, but yeah, you guys will be able to scan QR codes right from the phone, right from the camera app there. So yeah, guys, if you guys got a Verizon LG G6, you guys are getting a software update. You guys are getting a camera feature added. You guys are getting you guys are getting smart brake camera feature added. You guys are getting the ability to scan QR codes right from the camera preview app, right from the camera, and you guys are getting July 1st security patch. So you guys are getting more camera features on this phone, so that's pretty cool. So if you guys got a Verizon LG G6, you guys should be receiving this update as we speak. So that's all pretty much it there, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.